Maskwera say Mure Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel, Zim Confessions and Deep Secrets. Kana karikitanga kokuya paneno channel. Please don't forget to subscribe. Kana uchingwa garo ga subscribe. Don't forget to comment and share this video. Nasi Mure Zimbabwe takuigira nyaya buritswa ne Change Radio. Iyo yanga iri kumasvingo uko kune an event yakaitwa ne the Blue Movement iyo yaitungamirirwa na Amos Chibaya. Vaita a training workshop top cluster leaders are in support of President Nelson Chamisa Zimbabwe. They are saying they are preparing for the launch a new party Nelson Chamisa. So they've taken an initiative ku train cluster leaders avo. That's the step yababa se Blue Movement change radio yakabuda. Today, a significant event took place in Masvingo, Zimbabwe. The national organization Beru, led by the hardworking and dedicated Honorable Amos Chibaya, organized an extensive training workshop for top cluster leaders in support of President Nelson Chamisa. It was a well-organized meeting thanks to the organizational skills of Masvingo Provincial Administrator Mr. Mandi Matutu, newly appointed Masvingo Provincial Cluster Secretary Ms. Chantel Chiwara, who was Masvingo City Mayor, and Mr. Jonah Wakura Warewa Mary. Since the meeting was held at a private hotel in Masvingo Urban and attracted a remarkable turnout, with all 130 leaders participating in the training. The purpose of this gathering was to equip all leaders from the 26 Masvingo constituencies such as Mwenenzi, Gutu, Zaka, Bikita, Chiredzi, Masvingo West, Masvingo South, Masvingo Central, Masvingo Urban with the necessary skills and knowledge to become leaders and change catalysts within their communities. In an interview with Change Radio, Honorable Chibaya expressed his satisfaction with the well-attended training meeting. He emphasized the importance of education and empowering leaders who play a pivotal role in bringing about positive transformation in their respective constituencies. The chief trainer of the workshop, Mr. Farai Chinova, highlighted the critical issues covered during the training. He stressed the significance of empowering the energetic team from Masvingo province, referring to them as great foot soldiers who would effectively disseminate vital information to the grassroots level. The timing of the training session was particularly crucial as the wind of change has been sweeping through Masvingo and Zimbabwe at large. President Chamisa's lieutenants needed to be well prepared and equipped to navigate the evolving political landscape and effectively communicate the vision and objectives of the party. Throughout the workshop, various topics were covered to enhance the leaders' skills and capabilities. The training sessions delved into areas such as effective communication strategies, grassroots mobilization, community engagement, and political campaign management. The aim was to equip the leaders with the necessary tools and knowledge to engage with constituents, build support, and successfully promote President Chamisa's agenda. The workshop fostered an environment of collaboration and shared learning, allowing the leaders to exchange ideas, experiences, and best practices. The participants actively engaged in group discussions, simulations, and practical exercises, which further enhanced their understanding of effective leadership and community organization. The training workshop not only focused on the theoretical knowledge but also emphasized the practical application of skills. The leaders were engaged to develop action plans tailored to their specific constituencies, taking into account the unique challenges and opportunities present in each area. They were also provided with ongoing mentorship and support from experienced party members to ensure their continued growth and success. As the workshop concluded, the participants left energized and empowered, ready to spearhead the transformative agenda of President Chamisa in their respective communities. The training sessions served as a catalyst for change, instilling a sense of purpose and determination within the leaders to work tirelessly towards achieving the party's goals. With the newly acquired skills and knowledge, the top cluster leaders in Masvingo were poised to contribute significantly to the party's growth and influence. Their ability to effectively engage with the grassroots, mobilize support, and inspire others would play a crucial role in shaping the political landscape of Masvingo and ultimately the nation. As news of the training workshop spread, it generated a sense of optimism and enthusiasm among party members and supporters. The event served as a testament to President Chamisa's commitment to empowering and nurturing capable leaders who would drive positive change and lead the nation towards a brighter future. The training of top cluster leaders in Masvingo stood as a testament to the dedication and vision of President Chamisa's National Organizing Bureau. It marked a significant milestone in the party's efforts to strengthen its grassroots presence, mobilizing communities, and build a formidable force for change in Zimbabwe. Masvingo Urban Member of Parliament Advocate Martin Mureri commended the facilitators for giving cutting-edge information to the participants. Ndomamirira zvakaita muri Zimbabwe kuMasvingo tingazive kuti munoona sei nyaya iyi blue movement ndofunga is a movement yakalonjwa naAmos Chibaya pamwechete naGift Siziva vachipusha for a launch ya a new movement yekunzi changa chitugamirwa naNelson Chamisa. So kutaura kuno kundopavava neblue movement yabo muri Zimbabwe tisingazive kuti munoona sei nyaya iyi. Tiudzewo zvamuri kufunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mucomment section.
We are doing an exercise of training coordinators at the constituency level. So today we are in Masvingo. We trained all the coordinators from all the districts of Masvingo. That is 130 coordinators. We also trained our cluster leaders from Masvingo. What we are doing here is to make sure that our coordinators are well trained on their roles and responsibilities, what they are supposed to be doing when they are carrying out their duties. So we have covered about 6 provinces. We are now left with 4 provinces. Tomorrow we'll be in Matabeleland, covering Mat South and Bulawayo province. So this exercise is very, very important because we want to have informed cadres. We want to have cadres who are very clear on what they're supposed to be doing on the ground.
Thank you very much, Honorable. Wish you all the best.